Hey everyone, it's Junaid from Meninfluencer. Hope you look good, feel good and are ready to prosper, because in this video I want to talk about Tiege Hanley. So when it comes to Tiege Hanley, I saw that there's no tutorial on YouTube on a step-by-step guide on how to use the Tiege Hanley skincare products, and thus in this video I want to provide you a step-by-step guide if you're someone that just bought the Tiege Hanley set and are looking for a tutorial, or if you're someone that's considering to buy the Tiege Hanley set and just wants to see how it looks in action. And I will have a link in the description with 30% of the Tiege Hanley set plus a free gift if you want to check it out for yourself. And with that said, let's get started. So first things first, this is how the Tiege Hanley box looks like. Once you open it up, you get a leaflet where it says thank you for your order. And on the back of it, it shows you how to use the morning system, the night system and the usage amount for each product. But no one has time to read it. We're in the digital era, the YouTube days, so we'd rather see it in real action, and that's what I'm about to show you now. So let's start off with the morning routine, and the first product that we use for the morning routine is this bad boy. And when it comes to this bad boy, this is the Daily Face Wash by Tiege Hanley. And all you have to do is to open it up, scoop out a little bit of the product. Alright, there we go. That's the amount that I'm using. And then you start to apply it on your face. And when it comes to this face wash, it provides a cooling effect, something that I really like about the Tiege Hanley product. And in general, when it comes to a face wash, it just cleans your skin and gets rid of all of the grim that you get throughout the day or even at night time. So I'm applying a little bit of the product on my face, and then we combine it with a little bit of water. There we go, there we go. And when it comes to Tiege Hanley, when it comes to the face wash, it's not as intense as other brands, and thus if you're someone that has more of a sensitive skin, Tiege Hanley is a good option for you. So let's wash it off now. I slightly tap my face with a clean towel, and the reason I don't fully dry my face is because the next step is to use a scrub. So this is the Tiege Hanley scrub, and you only use it twice per week. And when it comes to a scrub, it gives you a deep clean and it tries to get rid of all of the dirt in your pores. So obviously when it comes to your face wash, it cleans your skin, but the scrub gives you more of a deeper clean, and thus you don't want to use it too much because otherwise it can be too intense for your skin. And using a scrub really depends on the individual. Obviously some individuals can use it more than twice per week, whilst other individuals can only use it once per week. And this really depends on your skin tolerance. Everyone has different skin, and so just try it out for yourself. Try to sense your skin and see whether it actually feels nice. If it feels like it's too much, try to tone down and perhaps only use it once per week. And if you're someone that feels like it is quite tolerant, you might be able to use it more than 2 times per week. And alright, there we go, let's wash it off. Pat dry my face again, but this time I'm gonna make sure that I get rid of all of the water on my skin. The next product that we're gonna use is the AM/PM Super Serum. And when it comes to this product, not everyone might have this in their set, because you've got 3 levels when it comes to Tiege Hanley, and depending on what level you have, you might not be able to have this one. So let me apply a little bit of this on my finger, and then it's time to apply on my skin. There we go. Let me use a little bit more, and just make sure it goes all in evenly. And the reason that a super serum like this will be as useful for someone is if you're someone that's fighting against aging, or if you're someone that simply wants to make sure that your skin stays rejuvenated and you really want to take your skincare game to the next level. Alright, so I'm leaving it to dry for a little bit. There we go. And the next product to use is the AM/PM Eye Cream. Alright, there we go. Let's apply a little bit of the product. And really make sure that you apply it under your eyes. Just slightly use your fingers to dab it. Don't use too much force, and you should be good to go. And then the final product for the morning routine is this AM Moisturizer. So you get 2 moisturizers, and when it comes to the AM Moisturizer, there's an SPF of 20 in it. And the reason an SPF is extremely important is to protect your skin against the sun rays. And yes, I know you might be thinking that even if the sun isn't out, you don't need an SPF, but the truth is there's still sun rays out there that can be harmful for your skin. And thus, by you having a skincare product with an SPF, you can really make sure that your skin stays intact over the long term, because it's the small little things that we do in life that have a compound effect. And thus, if you're someone that really wants to make sure that your skin stays intact, By using an SPF product, you can make sure that over the long term, your skin will still be very good. And voila, that's the morning routine. And now I'm gonna show you the nighttime routine. So say for example, after a long day, either you've been out, you've been working in the office, or maybe even work from home. Now it's time for you to do your nighttime routine. The first product you use is the face wash to get rid of all of the oil buildup, all of the dirt that your skin has been exposed to, and thus now it's time to use the daily face wash. So just like in the morning routine, you apply a little bit of this product to get rid of all of the dirt and oil buildup, apply on my skin, and then use a little bit of water. And as you can see, now it's getting a little bit more foamy, and this way you can really make sure that you get rid of all of the dirt and oil buildup. And once you've done that, it's time to wash it off. Pat dry my skin now and make sure we really get rid of the water, because we're not going to use the scrub now. We've already used it in the morning, and when it comes to the scrub, we only use it twice per week anyways. So now after I've pat dried my skin, we move on to the next product, and that's the super serum. So when it comes to the super serum, we apply a little bit on our fingers just to make sure that we can spread it all across our face. There we go. Let me add a little bit more. And then we just slightly spread it all over our face just to make sure that it gets everywhere. Let it dry for a little bit, and then we move on to the AM/PM eye cream. And when it comes to this eye cream, I generally think it's one of the better ones on the market. So I've tried out quite a lot of brands, right? And obviously every single brand is different, and everyone has their own specific skincare routine that works best for them. But in my opinion, when it comes to the Tiege Hanley eye cream, it was really good, and I didn't have anything bad to say about this product. Just really make sure that you dab it under your eyes. Just really make sure that you dab it under your eyes. Just really make sure that you dab it under your eyes, and you're pretty much good to go. The bedtime facial moisturizer, aka the PM moisturizer. So the difference between the AM and the PM is that the AM has SPF of 20 in it, and this is obviously for those individuals that go outside and you're exposed to the sun ray, and obviously at night time we tend to sleep, right? So it's not a big issue. So all you do is to apply the PM moisturizer on your skin to make sure you hydrate it, and this way your skin can do its magic while you're sleeping to rejuvenate it and make it look good. And that's pretty much the end of the nighttime routine. And obviously when it comes to all of these products, you might have the level 1 system or maybe even the level 2 system, so you might not have every single one of these products, but that is perfectly fine. If you do not have one of these products, you just skip this step and move on to the next step, and this way you can still make sure that your skin looks amazing. So these are all of the Tiege Hanley products that I've just showcased in the morning and nighttime routine, and if you'd like to check them out for yourself, if you use the link in description or go to tiege.com/meninfluencer, you get 30% of your purchase and also a free gift. And I think this is amazing if you're someone that's trying to get yourself into the Tiege Hanley skincare game. And that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope you found it informative and useful. If you did, please leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, or any other video where there's skincare or anything related to men's lifestyle, please consider to the subscribe button and help your brother out. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.